In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Notion. Whether you're updating your contact information or simply switching emails, updating this detail in your Notion account can ensure that you stay connected and informed. So let's dive into the process and make sure you get it done smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open your Notion app and sign in with your current email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll notice the sidebar menu on the left side of your screen. This is where everything begins. Look for the Settings option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, let's navigate to the My Account section. This is your personal hub where you can manage and update your account details. Once you're in this section, direct your attention to the Email section. Here's where the magic happens, and you'll be able to initiate the process of changing your email address. Next, you'll see an option that either says Change Email or Update Email. The wording might vary slightly, but both options lead you to the same place. Give that button a click, and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. This is the address you want Notion to use for all future communications. After you've typed in your new email, double-check it to ensure there are no typos. This is crucial because an incorrect email could disrupt your account updates and notification settings. Once you're confident that the new email entered is correct, proceed to the next step. At this point, head over to the inbox of the new email address you've just provided. What you're looking for here is a verification email from Notion. This step is essential in confirming that you own the new email address and genuinely want to use it for your account. In the verification email, you'll find a link. Clicking on this link is a crucial part of the process. It's Notion's way of making sure that the request to change the email address is legitimate. By clicking the verification link, you're confirming to Notion that this new email should now be associated with your account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address on Notion. It's a straightforward process, but taking these steps ensures that your account remains secure and up to date. Remember, keeping your account information current helps you stay notified about important updates and any changes within Notion. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to check Notion's Help Center and enjoy using all the amazing features that Notion continues to offer.